not in the zone at all. We're just going to use these parking lots here just to practice.
Where do they practice, or would they do it?
Straight ahead. It's over by, well, for the backing in for reverse parking and forward parking, it's right at the road test center itself. Those two things. Then the parallel parking and the 3-point turn, they could do that anywhere within the zone. Yeah, okay, good. So let's turn right around the fire hydrant here. And just pull it in between the two cars here, forward parking. Just want to see if you do this correctly or not. So no, okay. All right. Okay.
Nope.
No problem. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to walk you through it. Just let's circle back around. So we'll go out that way to the end of the lane, and then come back around because the approach is the important part.
Yeah. Thought we were in neutral.
What you do is just slow it right down. Slow it right down to, and then veer out to the left, far to the left before you turn in there. Really far.
Can you do that?
Yep, you have to. You have no choice because you got to pull in straight. So this wasn't far enough to the left. Okay, so we'll back it out. And let's just reverse it here back into the laneway, so to the right. It takes a little while to get used to the turning radius of any particular vehicle.
Yeah, mine is very like.
Yeah, you drive the same size car I do, so you could have gotten away with pulling into that space with your own car.
Oh yeah.
When you, exactly when
It's
you
because
started.
I was driving it a lot yesterday, so it's kind of go back around.
Yep, you're going to have to swing it out further to the left this time. Okay, so now the slower the better. So go like under 10. Swing it out to the left. Far to the left. And slow it right down. And now turn. There, so you come in a little straighter this way, and then you go slower. Slow. That's it. Start straighten it out, and bring it back to the right, all the way to the right. And aggressive. There. There we go. Okay. Yeah. So, but that's just to show you that you really had to swing it out far to the left before coming in straight. Eh? Because if you don't, what happens? You stay in your own lane and try to turn, you're not going to get in there. It's like the turning is. You got to straight. So now, when you're parking forward into a space, it's tempting to drive through, right? And they don't want you to do that in case they take you to the different parking lots in the road test center and there's another space in front of you. Don't be tempted to cross that solid white yellow line over here. So, if they get you to leave the space, say leave the space, you want to back it out.
Yeah.
And so to do that, let's back it out to the right. Using your signal pin. Use your right signal. Back in